ए वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सबको यहाँ आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यू आर ऑल अवेयर that Punjab National Bank is a 123-year-old institution which has seen various ups and downs in the past and have come out with the flying colors. That's why we are the second largest lender of the country. आपको मालूम है पंजाब नेशनल बैंक 123 वर्ष पुराना बैंक है जिसकी जन्म स्वदेशी आंदोलन के दौरान लाला लाजपत राय स्वतंत्रता सेनानी के द्वारा किया गया था और पिछले 123 वर्षों में हम कई उतार चढ़ाव देख चुके हैं, जिसके अंदर पार्टीशन के समय आने वाली समस्याओं को भी बैंक ने बखूबी निपटा था और आज हम दूसरे सबसे बड़े राष्ट्रीयकृत बैंक के रूप में यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं। मीडिया में आप लोगों को मालूम है कि रिसेंट इंसिडेंट्स जो फ्रॉड है इसके बारे में काफ़ी चर्चाएं हो रही हैं। हम इस बारे में आपसे एक सहयोग चाहते हैं। आपको मालूम है कि जो बैंक इस समय अपनी पूरी क्षमता से गलत काम करने वाले लोगों को पे एक्शन लेने के लिए काम कर रहा है। यह जो फ्रॉड 2011 में शुरू हुआ था, इसको सबसे पहले हमारे ही बैंक ने डिटेक्ट करके और रेगुलेटरी एजेंसीज को, लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज को बताया। पीएनबी अपनी क्लीन बैंकिंग के लिए कमिटेड है। शायद इसीलिए वी आर द फर्स्ट वन to detect and report this to the various law enforcement agencies. जैसे ही हमें इस घटना का पता चला, हमने उसकी जांच करी। We have investigated it, and even on the availability of the first available such incidents where we could verify these facts, we have gone to the law enforcement agencies to book the culprits and take strong legal action. You are fully aware that we have kept all the members informed about the developments. All the member banking sector, जो भी हमारे lenders हैं, हमने उन सबको इसमें इन्फॉर्म करके रखा है, उनको एडवाइजरी भी दी है। सबसे पहले हमने ही इसको डिस्क्लोजर नॉर्म्स के अंदर सेबी को भी बताया है। तो ये सब बातें हमारी क्लीन बैंकिंग का जो एजेंडा है, जो भारत सरकार ने हमें एक दायित्व सौंपा है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिव बैंकिंग, उसके अंतर्गत हम कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं। और हम देख रहे हैं कि जहाँ पे भी कोई ऐसी चीज़ हमारे सामने आती है उसको हम बहुत स्ट्रांगली एक्शन उसके ऊपर लेके, चाहे वो कस्टमर हो चाहे हमारा स्टाफ हो, इस सिस्टम को हम ठीक करेंगे। जहाँ तक बैंक का प्रश्न है, हमारे बैंक के पास आकार भी है और क्षमताएँ भी हैं इस समस्या से निपटने की। The bank has the capabilities and the capacities to come out this situation. आपने आज के मीडिया कवरेज में देखा होगा कि हमारे द्वारा जो एफआईआर लॉन्च की गई हैं और जो कंप्लेंट लॉन्च की गई हैं डिफरेंट एजेंसीज को, उसके अंतर्गत आज भी जो इन्वॉल्व ग्रुप्स हैं उनके एस्टेब्लिशमेंट पे रेड की कार्रवाई की गई है। डॉक्यूमेंट्स को, रिकॉर्ड्स को सीज किया जा रहा है और बैंकों के फाइनेंशियल इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। एक बात मैं सहयोग आप सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा चाहूँगा। आपको भी लग रहा होगा कि हमने शायद मीडिया के सामने आने में देर क्यों करी। हम नहीं चाहते कि ये बहुत सेंसिटिव इशू है और हम ज़्यादा बात इस बारे में कह के जो डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं उनकी जो सिविल और क्रिमिनल लाइबिलिटीज़ हैं उसको इफेक्ट करें और हम इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसीज के कार्य में बाधा बने। इसलिए हम आप सबसे ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि प्लीज़ गिव अस सम ब्रीदिंग टाइम कि हम जो एक्शन प्लान हमने कर रखा है डिफरेंट एजेंसीज के माध्यम से कल्प्रिट्स को बुक्स में लाने का, बैंकों के फाइनेंशियल इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने का, वो काम हम बखूबी कर सकें। एक चीज़ मैं आपको और बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे बैंक ने सिर्फ कस्टमर पे ही शिकायत नहीं करी है, जो हमारा स्टाफ भी इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व है, जो स्टाफ मेंबर मिस्टर शेट्टी और जो दूसरे क्लर्क उसमें इन्वॉल्व थे, दोनों को भी हमने क्रिमिनल कंप्लेंट का पार्ट बनाया है। और जिनमें सुपरवाइजरी लैप्सेस में कमी रखी है उन स्टाफ पे भी हमने काफ़ी एक्शंस लिए हैं। कुछ एक को हमने सस्पेंड कर दिया है और बाकी हमारी जांच जारी है। ये बात मैं आपको दोबारा से बड़े विश्वास के साथ कहना चाहूँगा कि हम लोग किसी भी गलत काम को बढ़ावा नहीं देंगे, और ये बात इससे भी सिद्ध होती है कि हमने इस चीज़ को सरफेस पे लेके आए। अगर कोई कैंसर है तो उसको डिटेक्ट करके दूर किया जाए। 2011 से जो बीमारी चल रही थी उसके कैंसर की सर्जरी के रूप में हमने इसे ठीक किया है। और PNB इज कॉन्फिडेंट एंड कमिटेड फॉर क्लीन बैंकिंग। वी विल कम आउट with the present situation. We are already in discussion with all the stakeholders, including the other banks who are a party to it. We will resolve it. We will honor all our bona fide commitments. हम अपने सभी bona fide commitments का honor करेंगे और हमारे जितने भी bankers हैं और साथी हैं या stakeholders हैं उनके साथ जो जो हमारे commitments हैं that we will be able to honor. Only thing we would like the enforcement agencies to do their job, to investigate the matter and come out the results, जिससे हम आपस में डिसाइड कर सकें कि yes, what should be the next course of action. मैं यहाँ पर उपस्थित हमारे मीडिया के सभी साथियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ जिन्होंने हमारे शॉर्ट नोटिस पे यहाँ आकर हमें ये मौका दिया, हमें अपनी बात कहने का, कि हम अपनी पोजीशन को क्लैरिफाई कर सकें। प्लीज़ कन्वे दिस मैसेज टू ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स दैट PNB is pursuing clean banking, responsive banking, and we will not shirk in our responsibility in putting all the customers or our staff to the task if we found any fraudulent or unethical practices are being performed in the bank.
Sir, Ruchi Bhatia from ET now. As we speak, sir, the RBI has said that PNB should pay the entire 11,300 crore rupees to counterparty lenders. What is the decision that PNB has taken on this matter, sir?
जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, ये सब मैटर अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है। We will see whatsoever is our responsibility and whatsoever regulator say, we'll definitely comply.
Sir, when did you know about this? You said, I'm sorry for not informing earlier, and you believe in clean banking. When did PNB come to know about this fraud? When did you detect it? And could you give us the timeline of when you went to the CBI, ED, and other enforcement agencies, law enforcement agencies? Please come clean on this because you're talking to your loyalties. Please come clean on
One by one, please.
Please, I will respond. Whatsoever I can respond, I will definitely respond. So, we detected in the 3rd week of January, and we promptly investigated in the 3-4 days, and we have gone to the CBI on 29th.
On 29th of January?
29th of January. And the FI was booked on 30th.
Isn't the raw tax much higher?
One by one, please.
One by one. Have you investigated involvement of senior officers in this particular case?
Sir, can you make it clear for the lay person as to what is the exact nature of misconduct? Are only foreign branches of Indian banks involved in it, or are there even foreign lenders involved in it? What is the nature of inappropriate messaging that happened out of your Mumbai branch? Where is the misconduct?
The misconduct I have already informed that 2 of our employees, in connivance with the few of the group companies of the 2 group, have undertaken some unauthorized and fraudulent transactions. That is what is we have already reported to the, and rest of the details we can give you only after the investigation is complete.
But are foreign lenders involved in it, or is it only foreign branches of Indian banks involved in it?
It's mainly foreign branches of Indian Bank, barring one case.
Will you also take legal recourse in the money? Will you also take legal recourse, sir, in this matter?
This is we have already initiated the process. We have conducted the consortium meetings because both the groups are dealing with a large number of banks. We have already informed the lenders during the consortium meetings. They are seized with the situation. We are working on the modalities. It will be too mature to premature you what are the legal actions we are going to take. But we are hands on it.
Have you looked into paying back the amount? He's written to PNB saying that he's going to be paying back the amount. That's one. Secondly, SEBI has asked you all to take action. What is the action that you are taking? And what have you informed SEBI as to what action you've taken so far?
Information to SEBI.
I think information to SEBI was given in time. Another issue, involvement. I think you all will agree, you can't say anybody unless and until the investigation process is complete. But yes, we will not spare anybody, may it be junior or may it be senior, we will take them to the task.
सर आपने क्लीन बैंकिंग की बात की है और जिस प्रकार से आपका ये कहा जाए कि नॉस्टो अकाउंट्स की बात हो रही है या आपका स्विफ्ट नेटवर्क की बात हो रही है, तो सारे में फेक पाया गया, एलओयू फेक पाया गया, तो ऐसे में किस तरह से आप क्लीन बैंकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं? और दूसरी बात 800 करोड़ रुपया विजय माल्या का भी बकाया है, तो ये पहले से ही इस तरह की चीजें चल रही, फिर आप लोग पहले सजग क्यों नहीं हुए?
मैं आपको दो बात कहना चाहूँगा। एक बात जो आपने प्रश्न किया है कि स्विफ्ट नेटवर्क के बारे में, जब कोई एम्प्लॉय अगर हमारे फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन करता है और कोई गलती करता है और वो सिस्टम जो है वो हमारे जो सीबीएस सिस्टम के अंदर उसको एंटर नहीं करता है, तो उस तरह से वो गलती उसने फ्रॉडलेंट एक्टिविटी करी है और इसीलिए उसका नाम सीबीआई में दिया भी गया है. सो वी हैव गॉन फॉर दैट पर्पज ओनली. Clean banking, what you are saying, what we mean is, if any unethical thing or any fraudulent activity made by staff, made by our customer, it comes to our notice, we will not leave anything to be book them for pursuing this agenda.
One by one.
Is the amount being higher than
Madam, you have asked so many questions, please.
Also, has PM Modi given in writing that he is ready to pay back the money?
Well, they have not come out with any concrete plan to repay so far, but well, they are coming out with some vague offers which are under examination.
Sir, is there any issue with the Finacle system? Since what happened was that the transaction was recorded in the SWIFT messaging, but it didn't reflect in the CBS. So there's no integration between the two systems. So are we going to do anything to plug that loophole? Because only two branch officers, were involved in this whole.
We are examining all these systems suspected. That is also under investigation. That what are the system problems? In case there are any system issues, we are going to correct it.
So do you think that this issue will integrate both the
Finacle में कोई problem नहीं है. Finacle में कोई problem नहीं है.
No, Finacle, the person has not entered into the system. There is no problem with the Finacle. That much I can say.
Sir, don't you think that this raises issues of governance? Will the bank take the entire liability?
Please one by one.
Sir, since the LOU was given by Punjab National Bank, will the entire liability also be of Punjab National Bank, or other banks will have to share this liability because it was a fraud LOU?
So that is one thing I told you in the beginning. We are already in discussion with all the lenders. It will be decided based on the investigation. If the entire onus is ours, we will hold the responsibility. We are not going back from it. But nobody else can be a beneficiary of it also.
So can the amount be higher than 11,000 crore rupees?
Let me tell you one thing very categorically. When this came to our light in the third week of it, we have scanned all of our branches. We have deputed our teams from inspection and audit department, and we have not been reported any such similar incidents in any other branch. This is a standalone incident in one of our branches.
Sir, how many LOUs were obtained by
मैनेजर रैंक के अधिकारी ही इशू करते हैं, उसमें और लोगों का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है?
साथ ही
I think name has already been given to you.
Yes, I think name has already been given. Whom we found are responsible. We have already booked them in the FIR, and rest of the things are under investigation.
how many fake LOUs were detected? How many fake LOUs?
विजय माल्या वाले इशू पे आपने बोला क्या इसमें विजय माल्या का बिहार में कितना 800 करोड़ रुपया पहले वो
नहीं वो please do not to link up the two issues. They are altogether different.
या पैसा लेता है तो बैंक इतनी इंक्वायरी करते हैं, इतना बड़ा मामला है और आप लोगों को इतना वक्त लग गया आपको ये मामला
Will you now be required to make entire 11,500?
That will That
will you now be required to make the entire 11,500 crore as provision in your accounts as per RBI norms? Because RBI norm says once a fraud is detected, the entire 100% has to be provided for.
you are perfectly right, and I think you are fully aware of it, that right now this matter is under examination. We don't have any funded exposure as of now, but whatsoever is our liability that is worked out in the process of investigation, we will take it forward.
Sir, how many fake LOUs have been detected till now? Because the earlier complaint said 8, now it's more than that.
Actually, it will be difficult for me to give you any technical numbers right now. That is under investigation. Let it be fully established, and then we'll get back to you the technical data.
For so many years, 2011 to 2018, why did it take you 7 years to find something of 11,000 crores? Didn't you, in your balance sheet for the last 3-4 years, somewhere it should have, triggered? Shouldn't there have been a question? Don't you have your normal audits that take place? How did you allow, and you have to answer to your shareholders as well as to the people who is lending, how did you not do it for the last 7 years? This is a scam of the highest order, 11,000
And so was it detected through the asset quality review of
You have an audit system.
Was it internally detected?
It was internally detected when the customer came for renewal of an LOC. We found that it has not been entered into a system. Then our new team staff sitting there, they raised an alarm that it is not in the system, and that was the strategic buying.
Please give the
That
timeline.
that was on the 25th of January. That was on the 25th of January.
So before that, before from 2011 till 25th January, 5th of January, you all had no checks and balances within your system from internal audit systems to show in PNB that such a fake LOUs racket was taking place.
It was.
One by one, please.
Just try to understand.
I'm understanding, sir. We have
It's a letter of undertaking, not funded liability. When it was not entered into CBS, it could not reflect.
So there was
Sir,
no internal audit within the system.
does that mean going forward, PNB will take a forensic audit to ensure and see that such incidents do not take place in the future?
Let me tell you one thing, Sharvin. We conduct usually forensic audit where we have a doubt that fraud has been committed or not committed, and let it be unearthed. Now this is a thing which is already documented, which is so we may not require it, but if there is need be, we may go for it.
So, but these were employees who were still with the bank till a certain date, right? So, for 7 years. So, will you conduct forensic audits on those accounts where they were involved in issuing the loan or LOU?
Yes, we are examining all these aspects.
Other banks are involved in this.
In your letter to other banks, you have written that it was the violation of RBI's guideline of 90 days. And it was a mistake on the part of branches of other banks as well as your bank. So, since 2011, so who is responsible? Because it is the innocence of the customer that he came back. So that's how we understand.
If you call innocent customer this time, I think I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say.
How many banks do you think are impacted?
RBI की तरफ से क्या डायरेक्शंस मिले हैं अदर बैंक्स? RBI की तरफ से क्या डायरेक्शंस मिले हैं अदर
I think you will get it later on.
Try to understand, please. This matter is still under investigation. We have not received any direction from RBI in the matter, but they are our regulator. Whatever direction they will give, we'll definitely inform them.
Have you been questioned by the CBI today?
I am a complainant. I am going myself to support my case.
How many banks are involved, sir? How many banks are involved?
I would not like to give you the most technical detail that I told you in the beginning, for the simple reason, till everything is freezed and properly investigated. Please help us and bear with us. We are confident. We are confident. It won't. The quantum has. We have done our homework. Quantum has already been put in this CBI SEBI site also. That is the maximum involvement we could find so far. We have scanned all our branches also. So there is this is a standalone case in one of our branches. We have got such one of our branches, and we have scanned other branches also. There is nothing of such.
Can you confirm whether ED has raided the branch concerned today?
Well, reports are yet to receive to me, and I think maybe we are just whatever I'm listening is listening from the media only. Reports.
I think couple of two questions, two last questions, please.
And will the government bail out, sir? Have you reached out to the government for a bailout?
Actually, let me tell you one thing. The one question about recovery. So we have already initiated the process. The ED is also seizing the properties, seizing the current assets, and we hope a good amount will be able to recover. We are already in the mode of recovering, and we are trying to protect the financial interest of all the lenders.
Sir, is the main accused, has he come before you since 25th of January, and is he in the country?
He has he has not come to us personally. We have requested him to come personally to come and give us a written plan that how the way he is going to make out the government.
When did you ask for a repayment plan from him?
Repayment plan, he gave us a formal message and we said, okay, you come out with a plan and we will meet. It was recently. Maybe last week. Last week.
सर ये पूरी मोडस ऑपरेंडी ठीक है सर ये बता सकते
हैं it's a technicalities. These are technicalities. Let the investigation agency do their job because there may be lot of clues which are still not available.
Sir, Allahabad Bank chief has already said in a public statement that PNB is the only bank which is liable to pay us money and not the client.
Sir, I'm not able to understand.
I have nothing to comment on the statement of others.
I'm not able to understand one thing, sir. You are saying that you negotiated with the prime accused after filing a
No, not negotiated. Not negotiated.
I mean, you had
They said, I want to come back and pay you the amount. I said, welcome. Because anybody, it's a funny. Yes.
Called you from abroad and said you wanted
Not called.
Mail.
Not called. They mailed. They mailed and we said, you come back with the plan.
Why are you classifying the amount of 11,400 crore as a contingent liability? Why are you classifying the amount of 11,400 crore as a contingent liability?
Contingent liability because LOU has not been converted into funded transactions so far. So it is a contingent liability, but contingent liability is not an important issue because this matter we will decide based after the completing the investigation.
Liability when you didn't even know that these LOUs were issued, right? So how can the transaction be recorded? The fraud is that LOUs were issued without the consent of the bank, right? So how can you say it has been recorded in your books? It was never recorded in your books.
That's why I'm telling. That's why I'm telling.
It will never be a contingent liability.
It will be only if the investigation process say it is your liability, we'll accept it.
So, sir, how much money has gone out of the bank?
Nothing has gone.
And is this amount likely to increase?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. But then let the investigation be completed.
1 second, let him finish saying what he's saying. Yeah.
I think.
Yes, I think I've given you all the details, and please bear with us till we complete the entire process.
Apart from this LOU, is there further exposure that you have to the people who were named in the FIR, including some people who are MDs of other entities? How much will be the total exposure apart from the LOU?
The total exposure, I don't have data right now, but then we have credit exposures in these two groups also.
So how much would that be, sir?
Credit exposure, our bank's credit exposure. Our bank credit exposure to these groups will be roughly 700, 1,700.
1,700. Roughly 1,000.
These two groups.
They are already.
You can add it. I'll reserve it till the investigation is complete.
Sir, now are you hopeful with the negotiation you have had on the email exchange?
We did not have any negotiation. Please understand.
Conversation.
They sent an email. We said you come out with a plan. We'll listen. That's all.
And you're confident that some plan will come in terms of thing?
It depends upon their response. No? It depends upon their response.
I think we are through. Anybody? Last question. Last question.
Last question. Yeah. सरकार को इसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी सौंप दी।
Yes, the government of India is seized with the situation. They are monitoring on day-to-day basis, and we are getting the full support in booking the culprits.
So was there any security given by these two companies because of the extension that was given of 11,400 crores? It's the biggest scam in the history of banking in the last 1 decade.
You are fully aware. It's a recent incident which is still under investigation, and
was there any security given by Nirav Modi group?
not so far.
Was there any security given, sir?
For this, no security is given.
Sir, what kind of vague offers? You said that you have not accepted the vague offers from Nirav Modi. What were the vague offers which have given by them?
Yes, sir.
I think it's a subject matter which has got a lot of legal implications. So I would like to reserve it post investigation.
So what is the government's view so far, sir, on this matter? Is the finance minister directed you anything that we should be doing?
I think the finance ministry is very seized with the situation. They are coming on heavily in support of the booking to the culprits, and they are strongly pursuing the clean banking agenda, and we are executing it in our letter and spirit.
Sir, Allahabad Bank or Axis Bank के अलावा कोई और बैंक
Sorry, I can't answer any more technical questions. Thank you.